Hello and welcome to this updated video for fall 2019 of how to set up attendance in Moodle. I'm not sure what version this is, version 3 point something. Okay, but anyway, it is what it is. All right, so to set up attendance in Moodle, the first thing you need to do is click on the little gear and turn editing on. All right, turn editing on. This allows us to do certain things. Okay, so this course that we're looking at here is we call it the professional learning community. It's basically where we store stuff for one of our classes, our English 110 class. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use this to set up attendance. Okay, so what I'm going to do is find a section, and usually there's like the top section where you can put general information about the class. This is where I keep my attendance. So I need to add an activity or resource. Okay, and that brings up this window here, and then I'm going to click on attendance. Alrighty, and then I'm going to scroll down and hit add. Okay, attendance. All right, and I'm done. No, I'm really not. I'm done. If attendance is part of your grade, then you would go to grade and then pick what kind of category it would be under if it's part of your grade. But you would have to have your grade book set up and your category set up first. But if you don't have attendance part of your grade, then you don't have to worry about this part. But all we did right now is just create basically an attendance setting. So I'm just going to hit save and return to course. All right, so now here we have attendance, but it's not set up yet, okay? We've just created a place to take attendance. So to actually set it up, click on attendance. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do is it says status set. So status set, if you click on this, again, if you're using attendance for grades, you'll notice that the default setting, at least what we have here at Shaw University, is that if the president's 2 points, they're late 1 point, excused 1 point. Yeah, so that's not good. If they're excused, there's no reason they should be penalized for that. Okay, so I would change that under status setting, hit update. Okay, now we need to actually add the session, so that's good to go. So we're going to go to add session. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so let's say this class starts, the first day of class is the 14th of August, and this class meets from, again, this is military time, so let's make it 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So it'd be actually 13, and let's say this is a 50-minute class, so 13 to 13:50, and this meets Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, so that'd actually be 1 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, and then I need to click on multiple sessions. So we're going to repeat this session above, right? And we're going to have it happen every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday. Make sure you don't accidentally click Saturday and Sunday, because then it'll be a mess. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And how long are we going to do this for? Okay, don't mess with this weeks thing. That's only if a class meets like every other week. Don't mess with that. Okay, repeat until, well, when does classes end? So if I go to the university calendar, I can see that the last day of classes are really December 5th. Okay, so when I go back to this, repeat this until the 5th of December 2019. Okay, see where it says allow students to record their own attendance? No. Why? No, don't do that. Okay. All right, and then you would hit add. And now you have created all of these times. That's how you've created it. Now, notice a couple of things that we need to be aware of. If you're teaching an online class, more than likely you would just take attendance once a week, and that would be based on that if the students turned in or completed one assignment for the week, then they would have it. So you'd only have so let's say your due dates are Friday night, I'd have your attendance be on Saturday. So if they haven't turned in something by Friday night and you don't have any, then they didn't complete anything, they would be absent. Okay, but one other trick that's helpful when it comes to taking attendance is that so we just did this for every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday throughout the whole entire semester. But we don't have classes all of these days. For example, we know that on September 2nd, that is actually Labor Day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right there, okay? And I also happen to know that we have, I believe it is, well, let me just check the calendar. Let's see, when is spring of fall break? Fall break is the 21st to the 22nd. Okay, so don't have class that day. And then we also look at Thanksgiving, which is, let's see here, Thanksgiving. All right, so it's the 27th through the 1st. Okay, so 27th. So I'm going to go back to here. So it's late this year. Okay, so we don't have classes that Wednesday, or Friday. So then with these checked over here, I can go choose, and I hit delete, and I hit OK, and it actually deletes. These are the classes that I want to get rid of. Yeah, because that's spring break. I mean, so that's Labor Day, that is fall break, and that's the Thanksgiving break. So yes, I want to get rid of those. Okay, and then it gets rid of those. Okay, and then okay, it's done. So when it comes time to take attendance, you just go back to wherever you put attendance. And so I sit down, and I would recommend doing this at the beginning of class. You sit down, take attendance, then you would actually click on this little button right here to take attendance. I'm not going to click on it because I don't know if there's any data in there that I shouldn't be showing you. And then you do it. Now you can view all as far as all the classes, or you can just break it down by week, and it'll show you only the classes for that week or only the classes for that month, whatever you want to do. But that's how you set up and take attendance in Moodle. And you're welcome. And by the way, I'm not technical support. I'm just trying to do something nice to help people out here. So please don't leave comments in the section saying, what about this? What about that? Because I'm not technical support. Just trying to be a nice guy. All right, there you go.